you want to just chill for like 5 minutes? If you want to just sit and like be, if you got 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I think Anishmita, she just dropped off. That's fine. Yeah. So just try and just close your eyes and then just totally relax. And you might feel this kind of feeling of, oh, I want to get something or I want to reproduce that feeling that I had last time. Just totally let go of that. Just drop that. Drop any objective. Drop any purpose. There's no purpose. There's no objective. There's no goal. We're just simply letting go of all of that. There's no reason. Drop the intention. There's no intention. Just be totally empty of everything. Just let go of everything that's happened today. Let go of the past. Let go of any plans for after, anything that needs to be done after. Just totally let go of it. Let go of the story. Let go of any identification with any role or any name or label. Just let go of all of that. Just feel yourself just relaxing more and more. Just free of all these things. And even effort, just let go of any remaining effort. Just simply remain empty, open, and relaxed. You're just simply aware of being. Just aware of how effortless it is to be, how natural it is to be. That you can't be any more yourself than what you already are right now. This is what you always are. The only difference is right now you are knowingly being that you are experiencing yourself as being. That this stillness and silence that you are experiencing is yourself. And notice how this being that you are is not dependent on anything. Not even dependent on you having a story or telling stories. Not dependent on there being a mind or not being a mind. Not dependent on experiencing the body or not experiencing the body. It's independent of all of that. All of that just is a distraction. But this right here, being, is ever present. All of the things that you let go of temporarily just make it easier to experience this being. Make it obvious that you are this being. That when all those things are removed, this being that you are remains. But this, simply being, cannot be removed. You can even try and throw it away, and you can't. Try and turn it off, and you can't. Try and run from it, and you can't. It's just simply coming to this direct experience of yourself. And all that prevents you from experiencing yourself like this all the time is being identified with everything that you let go of. That when I say open up your eyes and ask you how the meditation was, you'll naturally pick up everything that you let go of and become identified with it. But that won't change the being. It won't change what you actually are. That you can't be anything other than this. You can't be anything other than yourself. It's just realizing that this is the only possibility, being yourself. That you haven't been anything other than this ever. That you can't become this because you are already this. Okay, and open up your eyes. How was that?
That was pretty sick. I definitely didn't have a body.
Yeah, yeah.
Didn't feel like I was a person at all.
Hmm.
There was a second where I was like, "Am I dead?" And then that just disappeared.
Yeah,
I don't know, it felt good. Still feel good.
yeah. Cool. So yeah, so um, that's that's yourself. That- yeah, that's what I said. It's like it's having continuing to have that experience, continue to experience yourself. That trumps everything.
Yeah, I think that's like you said, like, just the consistency and doing it is what's gonna help, but, it's definitely harder when I'm not in the call with you. Like, with the guidance, it's a lot easier. Find
Mm,
that my mind gets in the way, at the start if I'm by myself. It'll really, like, sneak in there and, like, redirect me
Yeah,
very easily.
yeah. Well, that's what I was saying to you. It's like there's there's like some transmission happening that just disarms all of that shit that you're used to experiencing. That just unblocks all of that stuff, makes it easy to drop everything that I just told you to drop, and like that, it's just as I'm telling you that to drop it, it's already just dropping. It's already cleared out of the way,
Hmm.
and then you're just experiencing yourself. So that's why I said. That's why I said it's the most effective way. It's the fastest way. It's the easiest way. It's
Hmm.
like done for you, and then you just
Yeah.
coming and you're just coming and you're just experiencing yourself, and then when you leave, it's like you're leaving, but like you're leaving a little differently than when you came in, because when you leave, you're not leaving with everything that you brought.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what I said. That's the fastest
Yeah.
way. So if there's some consistency, then just keep coming to the meetings, and what you'll find is spontaneously you'll start having that type of experience on your own by yourself. You'll start
Yeah.
feeling more meditative by yourself.